Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify home office square footage for taxes in Evernote beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by launching Evernote on your device. Log into your account using your credentials. Once in your Evernote dashboard, create a new note. In the new note, title it Home Office Square Footage. Gather the necessary information about your home. Measure the dimensions of your home office. Use a tape measure to determine the length and width of the room. Record these measurements in your note. Calculate the square footage by multiplying the length by the width. For example, if your office is 12 feet by 10 feet, the total square footage is 120 square feet. If your office has any closets or alcoves, measure those areas separately. Add these measurements to your total square footage. Now, detail any other areas used for business. This could include shared spaces like living rooms or dining areas. Make notes of how often you use these spaces for work. Divide the total square footage of these areas by your home's total square footage for a percentage. Next, organize your note with clear sections. Create headers for measurements, calculations, and summary. This will make it easier to find the information later. Once you have all the information compiled, double-check your calculations. Accuracy is crucial for tax purposes. Now, you're ready to reference this information for your tax documents. Save your note for easy access in the future. Keep it updated if you make any changes to your office space. This will ensure you're always prepared for tax season. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.